At dawn, the forest exhales, a living ocean of green, awakening beneath drifting mist.
From the hollow of an ancient tree, a slow loris emerges, eyes wide, heart steady, ready for light.
High above, a sloth greets the day, movement slower than time, yet perfectly precise.
Light filters through leaves a grain, the forest painting itself in liquid gold and shadow.
On the forest floor, a pangolin rolls through fallen leaves, armor of scales, purpose of silence. Beneath the giants, leafcutter ants carry pieces of the canopy home, building life grain by grain.
Through the shadowed vines, the binturong moves unseen, its scent a map, its silence a weapon.
A tamarin calls from the treetops, its voice a thread weaving families across the green sea.
The rivers beneath reflect the canopy above, one breath, shared between leaf and tide. The forest awakens not with roar, but with rhythm, a silent symphony of the unseen.
Every sound here means survival. The pangolin digs softly, wrapped in armor older than time.
With strength and patience, the giant anteater reshapes the forests as foundations, one nest at a time.
In stillness, wisdom grows. The orangutan watches the forest think and breathe. Every movement a lesson. The young learns balance, guided by the rhythm of trees. Together they move as one, Cotis, sharing every scent, every step, every secret of the soil.
Tiny hands, great hunger. Tamarins find sweetness hidden where sunlight barely touches.
The wind carries stories older than any heartbeat. The canopy speaks to those who listen. Each bite a meditation. The sloth turns eating into an act of still devotion.
Among vines and air, squirrel monkeys weave bridges unseen by any map.
Each nest destroyed feeds countless lives. In the forest, nothing is taken, only shared. Every careful step echoes through leaves and food. The loris walks like the forest itself, thinking. The coatis dig beneath fallen dreams, every grain a chance for food and survival. Through the forest's crown, sunlight falls like a silent applause for life.
In twilight's edge, civets emerge pole, silent wanderers tracing scents unseen.
When rain returns, tamarins cling close, warmth shared against the forest's gentle chill.
For the sloth, waiting is life, stillness as powerful as motion.
Evening hums through the trees, the forest's heartbeat slowing, never stopping. The day bows out beneath golden clouds climbed. Night waits with eyes already open.
In the canopy, alliances whisper, tamarins and birds forage side by side, warning each other of danger.
Each bite carries life order. The fruit bat sows forests across miles of moonlight flight.
With every dig, the pangolin cleanses the earth mow. Pest becomes balance, silence becomes survival.
To heal, the coati rubs bark rich with resin, nature's medicine shared through instinct. Weaver ants stitch leaves with silk of milne, a green architecture powered by unity.
Bright beaks echo through the branches fluffing, toucans calling warnings across the treetops. On the forest floor, capuchins and coatis share a banquet cooperation born from hunger and habit.
Rain returns like memory, washing dust, waking color, renewing every breath of life.
Under a curtain of rain, the sloth becomes stillness itself, patient through every storm.
In hollow branches, sugar gliders shelter newborns frame. Warmth shaped from wood and instinct.
Youth turns survival into a game, eternal. Every leap, a rehearsal for life. Every fallen leaf finds purpose. Ants turn decay into nourishment for the living forest.
The smallest lives compose the forest's grandest music. Harmony made from countless tiny notes.
Among twisting vines, the slow loris waits, its gaze patient, unblinking, eternal.
Predator and prey entwine in rhythm. The forest knows only balance, never waste. Two macaws cut through the golden air, color and devotion, bound by sky.
As sun descends, the forest holds its breath, peace before the night's quiet storm. Hidden in hollows, mothers nurse their young, the promise of flight cradled in shadow.
Between species, trust blooms, grooming not of survival, but of friendship.
As dusk settles, silence returns on the forest.
The forest exhales once more says, dusk turning sound into color, and color into memory. As stars rise, so do wings. The night sky fills with the forest's silent keepers.
The slow loris hunts gently, every blink measured, every strike silent as moonlight.
The forest glows faintly fadrong. Civets walk paths older than any dawn. Beneath the stars, life hums unseen, uncurred. The forest's heart beating quietly through the dark. Among the stars of the leaves, the slow loris moves and trail, eyes glowing with patient hunger.
Even at night, builders work. The forest's heartbeat never sleeps. It shifts.
Bats dance through the dark, turning air into feast, chaos into order.
The binturong moves like smoke, unseen but always present in the forest's veins.
When rain returns, the frogs sing, love songs echoing through the wet green night.
Every inch is journey. Snails are jails carve rivers of light across the dark.
From tree to tree, sugar gliders fall like whispers, gliding on invisible paths of air. Between roots and silence, the coati searches Krov, guided by scent and instinct alone.
Bioluminescent fungi glow softly fine, tiny lanterns feeding on the forest's fallen breath. Even in sleep, the sloth moves, breath rising and falling with the rhythm of rain.
Tamarins sleep entwined, warmth and heartbeat keeping darkness at bay.
Before dawn, silence swells again, the forest inhaling the promise of light. Light creeps back across the leaves, a cycle renewed, a world reborn.